It is better to keep your mouth closed and let people think you are a fool than to open it and remove all doubts. Judge a man by his questions rather than his answers. Rough diamonds may sometimes be taken for worthless pebbles. We are all gifted. That is our inheritance. If you don't know where you are going, you might wind up someplace else. People are not disturbed by things, but by the view they take of them. Be nice to people on your way up because you will meet them on your way down. We don't see things as they are, we see them as we are. It is not enough to have a good mind. The main thing is to use it well. We cannot teach people anything. We can only help them discover it within themselves. There is nothing more uncommon than common sense. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Your goals minus your doubts equal your reality. Genius is never understood in its own time. You cannot step into same river twice. After all is said and done, more is said than done.